Hello everyone, I'm from OneCloud X conducting this demo to showcase how NetSuite's Customer 360 dashboard with AI-powered recommendations provide a holistic view of customer interactions to enable businesses to optimize their sales, to enhance their customer service, and to drive data-driven decisions. We will walk through the setup process, the customer dashboard, some AI-powered insight, and practical use cases for sales and service items. For the purpose of this demo, I particularly included the recent records on my dashboard portlet and the navigation shortcut group so that I could go directly to the navigation shortcut of sales and go to the customer list. The customer list shows the list of all of the customers that we have in the system. As you can see, if I scroll to the left portion beside the name of the customer, I could go directly to the customer dashboard. But since I would also want to share the customer 360 sub-tab, I let us open or view the Orion Trading Limited customer and go directly to the customer 360 sub-list or sub-tab. You will see here quick snapshot of the customer scorecard, which includes the number of orders, fulfillments, invoices that has been created all throughout the year or all throughout the time that the customer became a customer in NetSuite, and some pertinent sales activities, the total invoice values, and the net sales from the invoices to the returns. If you scroll up, you will see here that there's an option for me to view the dashboard of the customer, which gives us summarized view of the key customer data, like the recent transactions, sales figures, and outstanding balances. So let me quickly open that. All right. You will see on the left portion of this the customer details, and on the middle is the key performance indicator, where we can see the sales, balance, or even case activities happen all throughout a certain period. It can be current, this fiscal year, comparing to a different period like last fiscal year or previous months, last half. You will see here the current values, the previous values pertaining to the previous period, and the change that happened. Just like Facebook, it gives us the link on which this amounts are pertaining to. So we can drill down directly to the transaction where the amounts are coming from. So if you scroll down through the customer dashboard, you will see here the customer dashboard links, which helps the sales reps to navigate to some sales reports or even some financial reports pertaining to AR aging for your financial analyst. And again, for the salespeople to create certain transactions, sales transactions that could, and financial transactions that could help them easily populate the customer field and some default fields pertaining to the customer. So before jumping into the other dashboard, which is the customer 360, and give you the ability to see more defined KPIs, let me just go now to the recommendation or the intelligent recommendation that the system has. If we go to the commerce marketing, there are three options here: recommendation scenarios, by which we can create scenarios by which the AI will follow as a set of criteria, some blacklist items that we don't want the AI to recommend, and the recommendation availability based on the scenarios that we have created. So let me go now to the recommendation scenario where we can set up the recommendation base. For example, it is based on alternative items. So as the purpose of this demo, I set this up to alternative items, and you will see here that I can select non, medium, and maximum for diversity, freshness, and novelty. Diversity means the degree to which our recommendation or the AI recommendations should differ from each other. If we said, if we say freshness, it is to which recommendation should prioritize items recently added to the website or in e-commerce. And when we say novelty, it is a degree to which the recommendation should prioritize less popular items. So once this recommendation scenario has been set up, if we go to the recommendation availability, it will now show the scope, the recommendation recommendation based on and the availability. And since we have set up the alternative items, recommendations are now available whenever we create sales transaction. So going back to the customer record, aside from the customer dashboard, we also have this customer 360, which shows the recent transactions created from this customer, their status, if the payments has been deposited, if the invoices has been fully paid, and the sales performance can be the all-time sales this year, and the customer profitability percentage. If you scroll down, you will see as well here the top selling items that the AI recommends. You can drill down to the item name or to the item record directly through by following this link. But this dashboard gives us a quick snapshot of the revenue and the quantity sold per each item for this customer. And as part of the AI intelligence, if we try to create a new transaction or sales transaction through, it can be through this dashboard, as we create, for example, an invoice or a sales order, it auto populates the customer field. And as part of the AI recommendation, if we scroll down and put here an item that we would want this customer, for example, needs to transact or to make a sale, you will see below that there's this intelligent recommendations button. And once we click that, there would be alternative items recommendation that the AI provides us. You will see here a list of items that are available in the system, their price per unit that has been configured in NetSuite, and their quantity available or available quantity. Let's say I'll choose one of this Spring Puppet and add and close this. What will happen is that from the AA recommendation, it will now be substituted to the item that I have chosen as an alternative. So it may be because the requested item is no longer available, or for any other reason that it needs to be replaced. So as you can see, the Customer 360 provides a single real-time view of the customer interactions. It gives us an AI-powered recommendation that drive higher sales and engagement, and automated insights which improve efficiency across sales and customer service. That's a wrap for this video. If you have any question about NetSuite's 360 dashboard, feel free to reach out to us directly at OneCloudX. We're always happy to help.